Ano kaya yung tower sa kayo?
Daming plano na.
Chief ORCC, Ms. Jolie, on his honor battle here. Jolie, it's showtime.
Good morning, everybody! So everybody, please stay calm and quiet. Kalma lang po tayong lahat. I am your incident commander for this event. Doc B is our information officer. So right now, meron tayong kakaganap na earthquake, ano? Doc B, inaalam ngayon ni Doc B ang mga updates and instructions with the NDRRMC and other government agencies. Siya lang ang may pinakamagandang cellphone, may signal siya. So at this stage, ang tendency ninyo, kung nagpapanik kayo, ang tendency ninyo is to text your family. Calls are discouraged. Don't call. Text nyo lang ang family nyo kasi yung mga call, mabigat yan sa network. Intindihin natin yung sa emergencies lang yung mga calls natin. Text lang kayo, ha? So, mga room marshals, nasaan room marshals? Kompleto ba? Floor marshals. Building marshals, please check yung attendance ng mga tao ninyo.
Joe, Philippines and NDRRMC announced that we have just experienced an earthquake of 7.2 magnitude at kinukonfirm pa nila kung ito nga ang West Valley Fault. So mag-expect pa daw po tayo ng mga susunod na mga aftershocks.
So ready with your bags kasi pag may aftershock, upo tayo, cover our heads. So thank you for that information officer. I-check ko lang ba, rescue team? Nasaan ang rescue team? Oh, somewhere, nandiyan ang rescue team. Ayun, ang rescue team natin. Ready na po?
Kalma lang, kalma lang. Ikaw lang. Commander, last one. Command Rescue 1.
Go ahead.
Recover na namin yung victim, proceeding to triage area.
Thank you.
Victim condition, unconscious.
Lalo matanggal. Lalo matanggal ang buto eh. Pagka tinakbo eh.
Yung kasama.
Yung kamay, baka na-repeat na. Yan, yan.
Huwag mo yan.
Sakit eh. Sakit ang ano mo.
So again, safety, security, and maintenance. Sir Nonoy, nasa ng ating safety and security? So, as mentioned by our information officer, 5 PM pa daw maayos ang kanya natin. So, balik muna tayo sa mga offices natin. Back to work or proceed for lunch, for celebration. Kanya-kanyang tweet na lang muna sa kanya-kanyang kapagkainan. Again, congratulations and thank you very much. Report now that safe naman daw yung mga building natin. And anytime, pwede na tayong bumalik. Pwede na tayong bumalik sa building natin, sa offices natin. So, ladies and gentlemen, moms and sirs, before we conclude this, I think this very successful earthquake simulation drill. Once again, thank you for participating. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Please. Yes, sir. Thank you, rescue team. Thank you, medical team. Once again, mag-feedback po tayo. Submit to our CC kung ano yung comments ninyo. Report now that safe naman daw yung mga building natin. And anytime, pwede na tayong bumalik. Pwede na.
Seryoso, Brad, seryoso.
So yung mga hindi na makakalakad sa William Moore, iwanan na lang natin dito. At may kukuha sa